Hello and welcome to Exam Study. In this video, we will be discussing about the revolts in India, some revolts that occur before the 1857 revolt and some occur after 1857. So, in all, we will be discussing this, but these revolts are not in any order. So, I will provide you the list. The first one is Chuar revolt in time period was 1768. Chuar revolt in the province of Bengal. Bengal was a province in British India. Next one was Sannyasi revolt in 1770. The region was again district Midnapur. Midnapur is in the province of Bengal. At that time, Bengal was a province in British India. Like there were some princely states, some there were some province also. So Bihar, Bengal, Central Province. These were the provinces in British India. Why Sannyasi revolt is important? Because Sannyasi revolt has a mention in Anand Math. So here is a question. Question can be asked regarding the year of Sannyasi revolt or where it occurred. It happens in the district of Midnapur in Bengal, and it is important because it is mentioned in Anand Math. Now you will tell me who wrote Anand Math. Now this you will be discussing with me in the comment section. The second one was Velu Thampi revolt, and the time was 1805. So Velu Thampi revolt is Travancore in Kerala region. Travancore was a princely state in British India. And who was the leader of Velu Thampi revolt? The leader was Velayundan Champa Karan, because he was forced to sign the subsidiary alliance with the Britishers. That's why he protested against the Britishers, and the revolt was known as Velu Thampi revolt. It was in the year of 1805. Now the next one is Hawes revolt. Hawes revolt, and the time period was 1820, and the region was in the Bihar province of British India. The next one was Baghera revolt. However, Baghera revolt occurs before the Hawes revolt in 1818, and where it occurs in Baroda. Baroda was a princely state of in British India. Okay. Farazi revolt in 1838, and where it happens, it occurs in the state province of Bengal. The next one was Kuka revolt in 1840 in the province of Punjab, and who was the leader? Guru Ram Singh was the leader of Kuka revolt. Coal revolt. Coal revolt in 1831 to 1832 was the time period, and the region was Chota Nagpur. Chota Nagpur is in the eastern part of India. It's not in the state of Maharashtra. Next one is Ramosi revolt. Ramosi revolt occurs in the time period 1825 to 1826, and where it happens, it occurs in Western Ghats. Now the next revolt was Gadkari revolt in 1844 in the region, in the area of Kolhapur. Now Kolhapur is in the state of Maharashtra. The next was Munda revolt in 1890, and the leader was Birsa Munda. At that time, it occurs in the province of Bihar, but present Jharkhand is there. Now, next revolt we will be discussing about Pabna revolt in 1873, and the region was Bengal. One more revolt is Santhal revolt, and the time was 1855. Area where Santhal revolt occurs was the Raj Mahal Hills. Now you will tell me in which state Raj Mahal Hills are located. Now the next one we will be discussing is revolt by Chechus in the region of Nalla Malai Hills. This was a revolt by the tribals of Andhra Pradesh in 1921, 1922. So these were the some of the revolts that were against the Britishers by the people of the particular region. After this, there is an additional information who there was a always a topic of debate about the condition of Muslims in India. So when was it expressed publicly for the first time? Means the who expressed the concerns about the miseries of Muslims in India. So Sufi Baki Billah, he was the person first Muslim in India, first Muslim in India who express concerns about the miseries of Muslims in India. So these were the information that I wish to share with you all. I hope you would like this video. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.